How to delete Lyft account. First thing first, head over to your application Lyft. Make sure that you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Once you are in here, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen, and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to the option Profile and Account. In the section of Profile and Account, you will see the option where it says Delete My Account. Click on it. It will be landing you on this page. Scroll all the way down and then click on How to delete your Lyft account. Now select the specific browser. Now you have to enter your phone number associated with your account. Once you have entered, one verification code will be sent to your number. You simply have to copy that number and then paste it here. Once you have entered, click on Yes, it's me. Well, if you don't remember your phone number, you can simply enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, tap on Next. In the option of Delete Account, tap on Start. You have to state the reason why you want to delete your account. From here, you can choose any of the reason. Once done, at the very end, it says, please type the letters delete below to confirm. You have to type delete, and then once again click on Delete Account at the bottom right. Once you click on it, your account will be deleted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete Lyft account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.